The reason it's superior to gold is because I can snap my fingers and I can withdraw $1 billion of Bitcoin from the bank in 5 minutes. The easy way is all the big banks start issuing stablecoin, a token called the US dollar. Bitcoin is decentralized and it's an asset and it's already gone to 200 million places. And you might not like the people that own it, right? Don't they call it the money of enemies?
Yeah.
Right? The point is Bitcoin's going to people who have politics that you disagree with, right? It's almost certain. So it's spreading at such a rate. It's like fire and it's like electricity or mathematics. And you can have an opinion. Do you think it's good or bad for banks to have mathematics? It's like, we're the only ones with math. Is it good or bad for people to be able to read and write? It used to, there was a concern that we shouldn't let everybody read and write. It's just basic technology. It's spreading as fast as it can spread. The reason it's superior to gold is because I can snap my fingers and I can withdraw $1 billion of Bitcoin from the bank in 5 minutes.
Correct.
Okay? And the thing that's going to maintain its integrity is the fact that you can shift counterparties. You can move, if you can move $10 billion of an asset out of a jurisdiction, I can move it out of Miami, I can move it out of a bank, I can move it out of a country, I can move it out of a system. It's always going to have more integrity than the alternative. So coming back to this, it's like, okay, are you comfortable? There are a lot of people that don't think you should have a software wallet on an iPhone. You should have a hardware wallet, right? There are a lot of people that think that it's better if what if I don't want your family to have it because I don't like somebody in your family, right? What if I don't want your small company? You have a private company. Do you own some Bitcoin? Well, did you sell out? Now there's a company that's got other corporate interests that has some Bitcoin. A lot of people don't want a public company to have it. Why? Well, public companies have shareholders. Yeah, well, I don't want a country to have it, right? I mean, there are a lot of people that are concerned that El Salvador uses Bitcoin. Well, it might get hijacked by the politicians. What if Turkey actually starts buying Bitcoin? Do I like it? Do I not like it? But the point is, it doesn't matter what you think, right? It's not. It's like you sitting and saying, I'm really angry that someone else is using arithmetic other than me, right? It's spreading like wildfire. It seems to me that the world's a better place if people have monetary integrity than if they don't have monetary integrity.
I agree.
Right? Right? And in this particular case, is this good? Yeah, of course it's good, right? Why is it good? It's good because what we want to do is fix everything, not destroy everything, right? If you want to fix the bank, then they replace their bonds with Bitcoin and the capital structure of the bank is better. Do you want to fix every publicly traded company in the world? Do you want to fix the balance sheet of Apple and Google and Facebook and Amazon? If I tell you that they have to do the deal through an FDIC insured bank, then you either can fix them, right? There are a lot of people that don't want to fix them. They don't want Apple or Google or Facebook to fix their balance sheet. They don't want them to fix their product. But on the other hand, I'm an optimist. What do I think? I think 8 billion people should be using Bitcoin as a digital asset. Now, there's two ways to do it, the easy way and the hard way. The hard way is topple every government in the universe, destroy every technology company, and create my own hardware wallet and my own decentralized, well, let's rip back to the network, destroy every big tech platform, destroy every big company, and somehow let's build something totally new. That's the hard way. Seems pretty stressful to me. What's the easy way? The easy way is all the big banks start issuing stablecoin, a token called the US dollar, right? A US dollar stablecoin. And we go from $130 billion in stable coins to $1 trillion of stable coins to $10 trillion of stable coins to $100 trillion of USD. And then 8 billion people have an iPhone or an Android phone with a wallet, and they do 10, 20, 50 transactions a day at the speed of light on the Lightning Network. And that's the best, right? A decentralized, non-custodial network moving at the speed of light for free. Next best is they move these things around on the Android or the iMessage or the WhatsApp or the Facebook or layer 2 or layer 3 application, right? That's second best. And they do it without toppling every government on earth, right? Like, I can't, there's 130 currencies that are floating right now. 130. How many do we need? Well, we certainly could get by the next step with 12, right? The CNY is not going away, and the USD is, unless you wish to topple the government of China and the government of the US and the governments of the Western world. So if you look at an optimistic view, let's just actually make the world a better place and a win-win for everybody.